Alright, hey YouTube, how we doing today? I know. You're looking at this and going, who is this stranger? So I decided to make this video to kind of explain that. So stay tuned after we roll the intro, and I'm going to tell you why this happened. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers of my channel, man, thanks so much for watching this video. It's going to be a weird one. Take a look down below. You should see a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, should bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out the way early and you're going to feel a lot better about yourself for the rest of today. Okay, I think I'm going to entitle this video, Rebooting the Beard. Yeah, it was long, it was magnificent, and it was great, and dear God above, I miss it. I look in the mirror and I go, who is that idiot looking back? Long story short, talking with the wife, and she essentially said, it's a turnoff, I don't like it, it needs to go. So yeah, we got in a great fight, got in everything wonderful, and I had to sit and think about it and go, alright, well, I like wife cardio. I hope most of you out there can figure that out. So I took it down. And you're going to see a couple videos that I released where I had more on the sides here. But I don't know if you can still see it perfectly. Right here, that bald patch was popping up more and more and more. So I decided, let's just take the sides down. Take them completely down to stubble, reboot everything. That's why. But on the added thing, it's going to give me interesting stuff so I can really show you how well beard products work. Because we're all going to be able essentially to track my growth together. I'm filming this video, what is it? Yeah, oh yeah, May the 4th be with you, 2019. We're going to see exactly the growth, exactly everything, because I'm still using beard products. Oh crap, sorry. I used my Johnny Slick scrub this morning, you know, shampoo. I just put in some fresh beard stuff in here for one that's upcoming, their Armor. I'm still using, you know, beard care stuff. But we're going to be able to accurately see. Because I know before I started using it, way back when, almost a year ago, I didn't see a huge growth. I didn't see a huge change. After I started using it, I could tell there was some things changing. So we're going to be able to see. And that's a huge reason why I made this video called Rebooting the Beard. Because in essence, that's exactly what I've done. Now I know, I'm back to the baby beard. And my really incredible good friend, you know, hey Chief, yeah, nice shot. It was a nice way you did that last night. When he started to grow out his manly mane, he started around November for Movember. And I had, you know, my huge beard. And I was like, you know what people with beards call Movember? Baby beard month. He was quick to point out last night after I put up this brand new idiotic mugshot on my social media. He goes, so would this be a good time to bring up Baby Beard Month, or should I wait? Chief, you're fucking awesome, man. I'm really glad to know you, and I'm really glad you pulled out the humor, because if you hadn't, I really would have questioned, you know, if the Navy had the stones to do certain things. But there we go, guys. In essence, that's what it is. I like wife cardio. The wife didn't like how it was going, didn't like where it was headed. But if she had told me certain other areas, just like trim it up a little bit, make this a little neater, I would not have taken everything down the way I did. She essentially said, it's turn off, it's got to go. So I just said, okay, screw it, and bye-bye beard. Because I want to make her happy, I love my family, and I love being with her. That's it. But like I said, it started the reboot project, and I'm starting to draw it on, so we're going to wrap this up. It's going to be a really short video. Alright, I'm still going to roll out beard care stuff. I'm still going to roll out other things. The only thing that's really going to change is we're going to be able to accurately track right through here. And not to mention, I'm going to see if I can find anything to help eliminate that, because I've been researching about patchy beard, so we're going to see if some of those cures work, because I want that spot gone. Seriously, when I had the comb over, it wasn't that bad. I could still see it in certain videos, but not as bad as it was in the last two I shot, just a big white flare right there. But alright, let's get to the wrap-up. So for you first-time viewers of my channel, man, seriously, like I said in the beginning, thank you so much. I know this is a very, very weird one. I know most people don't put up videos going, yeah, I'm rebooting my beard, I'm doing this. So if you look around my channel, you're going to see I don't do things the way most YouTubers do. You're going to see a lot of interesting stuff. Now, for you first-timers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, here is your second chance at redemption. Look, down there. Down there. Should be a big channel symbol popping up. Man, click on that thing, gonna bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and subscribed, please go ahead and destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. It really is. A lot of people don't know this. If you click on that bell, it will notify you every single time my channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, too, we're going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. Rebooting the Beard 2019. Hope you stick around for the ride because it's going to be interesting.